20 powerful Ayurvedic home remedies in English. Tulsi A leaves for immunity. Chew 5 to 7 fresh tulsi, holy basil, leaves every morning to boost your immunity and fight infections. 2. Ginger tea for cold and cough. Boil water with ginger, tulsi, and black pepper. This herbal tea soothes sore throat, cough, and congestion. 3. Turmeric milk for pain and immunity. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to warm milk. Drink at night to reduce joint pain and improve immunity. 4. Lemon water for detox. Drink lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning. It flushes toxins and improves digestion. 5. Dry ginger powder mix for digestion. Mix dry ginger, santh, ajwain, carom seeds, and cumin in equal parts. Take 1/2 teaspoon after meals. Triphala powder for constipation. Take 1 teaspoon of triphala powder with warm water at bedtime to cleanse the stomach naturally. 7. Raw garlic for heart health. Eat 1 to 2 raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach daily to lower cholesterol and support heart health. 8. Amla juice for skin and hair. Drink fresh amla, Indian gooseberry, juice every morning to improve eyesight, hair strength, and skin glow. 9. Saltwater gargle for sore throat. Gargle with warm salt water twice a day to relieve sore throat and throat infections. 10. Haritaki powder for gas and bloating. Drink warm water with 1 teaspoon haritaki harad powder at night to relieve gas and indigestion. 11. Ajwain water for acidity. Boil 1 teaspoon ajwain in water and drink after meals to ease gas, bloating, and acidity. 12. Flax seeds for omega-3. Eat 1 roasted flax seeds daily to support heart health and reduce inflammation. 13. Cinnamon cumin water for diabetes. Drink water boiled with cinnamon and cumin to help control blood sugar levels. 14. Sabudana for energy. Sabudana, sago. Porridge or khichdi provides quick energy, especially after illness or fasting. 15. Fenugreek ladu for bones and joints. Ladu made from fenugreek, ghee, jaggery, and flour strengthens bones and reduces joint pain. 16. Aloe vera gel for skin care. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on the face daily for glowing, acne-free skin. 17. Warm semolina drink for cough relief. Drink warm semolina water, suji, for throat relief and mild colds. 18. Dry ginger plus ghee plus sugar for cold. Mix dry ginger powder, sugar, and ghee. Take 1 teaspoon to relieve cold and mucus. 19. Black pepper and honey for sore throat. Mix 1 pinch of black pepper powder in a spoon of honey to soothe sore throat naturally. 20. Soaked almonds for brain health. Eat 4 to 5 soaked almonds every morning to sharpen memory and improve brain function.